Goddard, and I have a tapping video for you today working regarding feeling frustrated with yourself because you can't achieve your goal. I don't know what it is for you, but I know I've been there where I've wanted to achieve something and my body's not working with me, life isn't working with me, the universe isn't working with me, and it sucks when you're in that space. I get it. So one of the best ways that we start moving ourselves out of that is to just recognize the space that we're in, let ourselves process where we're feeling, and then move out of it. So we're going to start with some tapping with it. I want you to think about something that it is that you want to achieve right now and you're having trouble. It could be weight loss, it could be something in your career, it could be getting the house clean. I don't know what it is for you, but I want you to think about what that might be. Take a deep breath, and if you need to pause the video, you're welcome to do so. And just remember, as always, take emotional responsibility for your own well-being. And let's get to some tapping. Even though I'm really frustrated with myself, I'm not achieving what I want to achieve. I love and accept myself anyhow. Even though I'm feeling really frustrated with myself, I can't seem to achieve this goal. And I feel like I'm sabotaging myself. I want to work through this. Even though I'm feeling really angry and mad, I want to achieve this goal. And I feel so frustrated I can't do it. I love and accept myself anyhow. I feel really angry. I'm mad at myself. I keep sabotaging myself. I can't get what I want. Something's in the way. Life is in the way. Every time I try to move forward, something holds me back. I feel frustrated and angry. I'm so mad at myself, I can't seem to get myself to achieve this goal. I'm so angry with myself. I feel angry with myself. I want to give up. I can't seem to achieve this goal. I just want to give up. I feel angry and frustrated. Take a deep breath. Just let all that out. And I want you to feel how that feels and just kind of notice what's coming up for you. And then we're just going to go right back into the tapping. Even though I feel frustrated, I'm very angry with myself. I'm angry with my body. I'm angry with the universe. Things aren't coming together the way I want. I accept how I feel. Even though it feels like there's some kind of force against me. And I feel angry. I really want to achieve this goal. And I don't know if it's me, if it's the universe, or if it feels like it's a curse. I can't achieve this goal and I'm mad. I'm really angry. Something's holding me back. I'm really angry. Something is holding me back. I want to achieve this goal. And I feel angry and mad. I can't achieve this goal. What's going on here? Why can't I achieve this goal? I feel so angry with the universe. I feel so mad. I want to give up. I'm frustrated. I'm resentful. Something's holding me back from me having what I want. Maybe the timing is off. Maybe there's a subconscious resistance. Maybe there's a part of me that's afraid. Maybe things have not come together the way that they should yet. Maybe there's something better on the way. Maybe there's something I need to let go of first. All this frustration I'm feeling, I want to work through this. Take a deep breath So I can't hide things. I'm one of those people that obvious when I'm tapping, if I start yawning, there's something inside of me shifting as well when I'm going through this. So if you're yawning, if you hiccup, if you burp, whatever it might be, any kind of involuntary body kind of stuff, sometimes that happens when we're tapping. It's all right. Don't worry about it. Don't judge yourself for it. Just let's keep moving. So I want you to notice in yourself what that felt like. If you need to pause this and notice, is there a subconscious resistance? Is there something blocking you? Has some clarity come up for you yet? The more you can get clear about what's going on with you, the better it is. So just notice back in your body what's going on, and we're going to go right back into some tapping. I'm going to do a little bit of reversal tapping, okay? Even though I haven't achieved this goal yet, I'm open to the possibility there's a part of me that doesn't want to achieve this goal. Even though I don't want to achieve this goal, for whatever reason, or a lot of reasons, and you can't make me, I love and accept myself anyhow. Even though you want me to achieve this goal, I don't want to achieve this goal. It doesn't feel good to achieve that goal. It doesn't feel safe to achieve that goal. Or there's something else blocking me. I choose to acknowledge that part of me doesn't want this. Part of me doesn't want to achieve this goal. I'm not ready to achieve this goal. It doesn't feel good. It doesn't sound fun to achieve that goal. It sounds like a lot of work. It's going to be more responsibility. If I achieve what you want, you're going to take joy away from me. You're going to take away my favorite foods. And that's not going to make me happy. You're going to take away judgment and some other stuff. But I'm not going to get as much joy out of that. I don't want to change this. I don't want to take on more responsibility. I'm afraid to achieve that goal. What if I achieve that goal and something bad happens? What if I get more success and something bad happens? What if I get more success and I'm still not happy? I'm uncomfortable with changing, and you haven't convinced me yet that it's better for me to change. I don't want to change this. I refuse to give you what you want. It doesn't feel good to me yet. Take a deep breath. Now, I want you to notice for yourself what may have come up. Something that I have learned over time working with people is a lot of times we set goals, we decide that we want to do something, and if it doesn't feel good for us to do that, if it doesn't bring us joy, if it doesn't bring us happiness, we won't let ourselves do it. There might be part of ourselves that wants to do this, and this is very, very, very true of a lot of people that want to lose weight. If you are one of those people that say you want to lose weight, but you really enjoy eating, you love to go out to restaurants, you love to eat, you love to give snacks, you love to reward, like you love all, like why would you want to change that? You have too many positive associations to something, and you don't have enough excitement and joy about the other thing that is over here yet. So what we want to do is really let ourselves move into a positive feelings about what it is that we want. Or again, sometimes it's a subconscious resistance to something else that might be going on. It doesn't feel safe. We don't feel like we deserve it. We feel like we